So we just did a video
Of
where
our
we
slimes.
made some slime. I love mine, by the way.
I hate mine.
But
by the way,
anyway, so we are going to do a challenge to try to fix her slime.
because my slime failed.
So we are going to go ahead and break this. Now we're just going to get right to it because I can only record for 15 minutes at a time. So here it is. It's very stiff. So we are going to...
Let's grab some water.
Yeah.
Like a lot of water.
Here.
Give me that water.
We'll share this water. We have to use our bowls to fix it.
I
That's
want
the
that
catch.
water. There's activator in my bowl.
Yeah, but we have to use it.
No.
Okay.
I have a new slime. This time
Then get it, Cecilia. Gosh.
I have an idea. All the glue in here will turn into slime.
I do that all the time. Well, when I... So, guys, I'm mixing in some water.
No. Can I borrow?
Just give it to her.
Because she's a big brat. She can't handle.
We're recording.
Live.
We're recording.
We should probably restart this.
No, it's fine. We already started. Guys, don't mind her. She just gets angry at TC. You can put some water in here.
Put it. Okay. I'll go here.
Go into the sink to get some water. Guys, it's getting better already.
What the heck? I thought it was horrible. Did you see that?
No, what now?
I was adding the water and all of a sudden the water sprayed in my face.
Well, don't tell everyone. They didn't see it.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. You can get all of that water. Get off my freaking hands.
Guys, it's turning into good slime now.
Like how good?
Good enough to stick to the table.
That's really good.
Guys, I know you can't see what we're doing because
In
we
the
don't have
end,
that.
whoever wins gets to.
We forgot to show the cats at the end of our last video.
We'll show it.
We'll do it in this video. What? Okay, they can't see you in the shot. Let me move over here. Okay. Come closer to me because they can't see you. Perfect.
Here's mine so far.
Mine's getting a bit better. See how stretchy it is? I know some of you are like, that's
Mine-
not stretchy. But
Mine
to us,
is
it's
just
way better.
falling. Like I'm holding it like here, yeah.
Sorry guys, that's a notification.
I'm trying to display.
Clean it up now.
I'm trying to display this and look what happens. You know
Clean it up.
is Belle. The only bad thing about your lighting is like yellow.
I know my lighting is yellow. That's because the bulb.
No, not bulb. You're weird.
Christine, look, it's getting better.
Feel better. Better than yours? You're probably gonna say no. All my slimes I've ever made, she's had slime. Her slimes have all been better. All.
That's because I don't really overactivate my slime, but this one was my fault. I added too much.
Yeah, she's like, okay, I'll add some activator for you. Yeah, we still have acto left, but look how much you used. I had it up to the top.
No, it wasn't.
Almost up to the top.
It was like halfway. Don't believe her. Don't listen to her. It's getting better, guys.
Mine isn't getting any better.
It's getting better, and we've only done this for 4 minutes.
Mine isn't.
How? It's probably because you have a little bit of activator in your bowl.
A little?
You dumped it into the glue.
What?
You dumped it into your glue.
I know, but you know, there's still.
Usually, I will do like Roblox videos and stuff, but
we don't actually just like Roblox. We like a lot of other things.
Yeah, comment down below what games I should play next. If they cost money in the App Store, I won't get them.
Or if they're not for the kind of iPad she has that she records with.
Yeah.
Or camera,
But it's my iPad.
Yeah, don't get tricked by her.
She used to have a YouTube channel, but she can't record anymore because she doesn't have Wi-Fi.
Yeah, that really sucks. And I had like, how many subscribers do you remember?
You had like 8 subscribers.
I had 8 subscribers.
More than me.
Yeah. Oh, for a second I thought Tweak was the one stepping on my toe, but I just realized Cece's Dan
It was
stepping
Tweak.
on my toe.
It was sweet.
It was raining.
See?
No, I looked down before then and I saw Cece stepping on my toe. My hands are starting to burn from this.
Mine aren't.
Yeah, but that's
I said mines aren't. That's not proper.
But that's because you don't have cuts on your hands.
I do.
No, that's Cece. Look.
That's Cece. Clean up your mess, Cece. The stuff on the table too. You made a mess of the table. What?
Wasn't it us though?
No, it was Cece. She dumped everything on the table. See?
Oh, she dumped all about activator. She's using water. Look. How good is it on a scale of 1 to 10?
Last time I'm gonna be careful.
Not a 10, but pretty good.
9?
No, come on.
Last time I'm gonna be careful.
Sorry,
I felt yours for like 5 seconds and it was good.
It's not perfect though.
Is yours over there perfect except the color? The color should be like more green.
Yeah, my favorite color is green if you didn't know.
No, I like this one.
Sorry, James Charles. I know you hate green, but it's my favorite color.
We still love you, James.
Yeah.
Can I have a piece of that?
Piece of this one?
Will that make it better?
I think so.
Yeah.
We could use anything to make it better.
I'm gonna add a bit.
It's getting like, this is stiffer.
Not to me.
Probably because we have different hands.
Yeah, she has like sticky hands for some reason.
No, I don't. I used to. I said it was stiffer.
I know. This morning, or not this morning, when you first came here, you were like, my hands are sticky.
They started getting sticky, like, after last time you saw me. I don't know what happened. Maybe that disease of my hands being sticky with slime.
Not disease. It's a gift.
I know. A bad gift. I hate the gift you gave me. I'm sorry.
How dare you?
It wasn't a very good gift, though.
I thought we were friends.
You are. You just didn't give me a very good gift.
Did you see the title of my last video? It was like
Making slime with my
Best friend.
No,
And there was a
more.
lot of F's in there, okay?
There's probably like 1,000. Like, you would have to do that one thing where you could see every letter. And it would probably go all the way down. Probably not. All the way down.
No. We don't sing on this channel. Should I do a singing video on this channel? I'm gonna make Christine sing.
No, you'll get a bunch of dislikes. I don't want that for your channel.
They'll probably think it's funny, so they'll like. Like, they'll just subscribe to be like, we subscribe so we can see more of your friends sing.
Because it's funny and cringy.
Look.
Ooh.
Don't touch it yet. It's not done.
But it's going to be mine.
I know, but don't touch it
You're
yet.
probably going to end up being the person. I think I made it worse. In the end, who's going to fix. But the loser has to do what?
Oh, you want me to choose?
No.
The winner chooses.
Oh, I want this
I
one.
could just choose right now.
Can I have
Yeah.
this
Okay.
It can't be too
Yes, Cece.
bad.
Get her down.
Cece, hurry up. Get her down.
Spray her. Or no, don't spray her because there's no cap on the bottle. Just get her down, okay? Look.
Is that mine?
Yeah, it's jiggly though. Is that okay?
Yeah, sounds good.
Look.
one? Can I floss?
Since I know you're going to win, just tell me what I have to do.
I'm going to make a concoction.
Can't be poison stuff.
No, I'm not going to put poison.
How many
stuff in it.
sips of it do I have to take?
1.
Good.
I like this double egg one.
She called it a double egg slime.
That would be disgusting. You're supposed to call it like pretty good names, like strawberry pop rock slime.
Oh, I made a strawberry pop rock slime.
I know. I was about to say that's what one of the slimes she made.
It was really good, but it had like bouncy ball sand in it, so it turned really hard.
Turned into
It literally turned into a bouncy ball.
Literally. Not a very good shaped one, though.
Yeah, it was like a
I could fix this.
Triangle, a bouncy ball.
yeah.
It bounced, though.
It did. It was a triangle bouncy ball slime.
Yes.
It was called Strawberry Pop Rock because it was pink.
And it was like crunchy. Every time you squish it, it would crunch a bunch.
Okay, I think someone's knocking.
Crunch a bunch.
Oh, sorry guys.
Isabel.
I know.
While she's gone, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I'm taking
Put this
over
one back.
for like 5 seconds.
Nope, no one's knocking.
And Isabel is coming back. So don't worry, you won't be drowning from boredom from me.
Yeah. Oh. Guys, I almost fell. It's so sticky now.
Oh.
Right when you came back, it said, did we got it?
Izzy, let's
So
fix
guys,
one.
it is fixed now.
So guys, it is not fixed now.
Do you want to finish
You
this
guys
now?
will just
Fix
have to
it.
Go get the cats. Clean off your hands and go get the cats so you can show.
We'll
We'll do her her losing dare at later's video. We're gonna upload 3 videos today to make up. Go get the cats.
Hey,
Clean off your hands. Yeah. Clean off your hands. Do you have any activator on your hands?
No, I'll get used after.
Okay, then get the cats. She's gonna show you Tinkerbell first.
Izzy, I'm gonna switch slimes.
Not yet, Sissy. Let me fix it first.
Huh?
So here's Tinkerbell. There she is. She's a kitten still.
Ooh.
Yeah, there she is.
Go get Tweet Tweet.
I'm gonna play this one.
I'll set her down. Go get Tweet Tweet.
His name is Tweet, but I call him Tweet Tweet because why not? It's his baby name.
Is this one a little older?
They're the same age.
Izzy, no! Christine.
Give me something to dry it off with now. Christine, hurry up! It's getting inside of it. No, dirty clothes right there. Guys, I'm sorry. Guys. Finish me. Celia, get away from there.
Can I play this one?
No,
Can I play with this?
no, no,
Can I pause the video?
no. It won't let you.
Okay, I'll get Tweet
Hold it, like this. Sorry guys about that. My sister just doesn't know how to listen. What?
Can I play with this one?
Okay,
Yes.
I'm gonna show you guys.
Yeah, we're gonna show you Tweet. Oh, you can see it now.
Tweet Tweet.
Here's Tweet Tweet. He's my baby, my little baby.
Aren't all the cats your little babies?
Yeah. Now the big cat.
She's gonna be hard to get, right?
No, she's the sweetest. Now we're going to show you the mama. She's not really the mama, but we call her mama because she treats them like her babies.
I want her to
It's okay, just pick her up. Here, do you want me to get her? Okay, make sure this doesn't get off the... Mrs. Mama.
Miss Melmo is coming.
It's okay, Mama.
It's just a camera with 1,000 people watching you.
This is Mama.
Yeah.
She's not very happy right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and put her down.
Normal, she's pretty happy though.
Yeah,
I
but
feel like this is better angle.
it is, I think. Down, Mama.
Too sticky.
Yeah, it's too sticky. It'll get in her fur.
That was Mama.
She's not bad.
Don't get on
Move your hand.
this.
Here, I'll deactivate it.
What if I have it right here?
I'll get this here. Okay, guys, so here's the new slime.
Is it way better?
What do you think?
Come on.
So, yeah, that's all for today. Let's do our outro. Goodbye.
Bye.